Hi, my name is Tim Norman. I am the Corporate Safety Manager for Hunt Forest Products, and we're here this evening for a manufacturing event at the Jonesboro campus. Just wanted to let you guys know about Hunt Forest Products. We've been in business since 1978. We have a plywood plant located in Pollock, Louisiana. It runs 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. We have Pine Sawmill that is a joint venture between Hunt Forest Products and Tollco. We're looking for employees. If you are interested, you can go to our website. But we have everything from a utility person all the way up to managers. In the plants, we have skilled jobs, millwrights, electricians, things of that nature, and there's always opportunity. I can tell you story after story of individuals that came in and started out as a utility person, and now, you know, they're a supervisor or they've moved up the ladder, so to speak. We are real big on training. We train our employees. We do everything we can to help improve their skills. The pay, we're competitive with the other wood products manufacturers. We offer 401k and we have other benefits. I have been with this company for 32 years and time just flies by. It seems like it's only been a few years, but it's a great place to work.